no cell signal, no nothing. Well, I have made it to my destination. I didn't know exactly where I wanted to go this morning. I didn't know if I wanted to do Pilot Mountain or Stone Mountain or what, but I am in Wilkes County here at Stone Mountain State Park. It's been years since I've been up here and it is gorgeous. It is something else busy up here. There's a lot of people and I don't blame them one bit. It's a beautiful day. It's overcast, so it is hot, but it's not too bad. It rained on me a little bit coming up here. I'm not gonna let a little rain stop us. So let's go get this done and see what all we can see today. I think we're in for a treat. Well, it looks like it may rain on us, but that's not gonna stop us. Jeez. Well, I am, the whole entire bottom dropped as soon as I started up the trail. It is a torrential downpour. So, I am back in the truck for the time being. I got here and wanted to do a shot of the bloomed rhododendrons, and some lady was continuously, her car horn was going off and she kept looking at it like, why are you doing that? Finally got that shot. I made it 2/10 of a mile up the road trying to get to the trailhead. I am absolutely soaked to the bone, and since I was this close, I came back to the truck. Maybe we'll ride the storm out. We're gonna look it up. Man, all I want to do is just go hike and see some stuff. Like I said, the rain wouldn't stop us, but my camera was soaking wet and I can't lose any of my equipment. Maybe I'll share a story with you in the rain. I don't know. Maybe it'll pass. Sure would like to go hiking at some point. Wow. Well, I'm drying off a little bit. Man, it is miserable. I found this old church. I don't know, Garden Creek Baptist Church, I think's what it says on the, I can't see right yet. If it'll slack up raining, I'll try to take a picture. It's a beautiful old style church just sitting here by a creek, and it is flooding in the back and everything. No cell signal, no nothing. I can't even check where the storm's passing, but it's a pretty nasty little thunderstorm running through here. So I guess I'm gonna have me a snack. Southwest pretzels, anyone? So I'm having some of my son's Southwest seasoned pretzels, and they're delicious. We picked them up at the Sportsman's Warehouse in Greensboro when we went to the Hank Jr. concert. That was a wild night. These things are the bomb. So I'm here at the Hutchinson homestead where John and Sydney Hutchinson built up here near Stone Mountain around 1855. Really neat. Garden, sheds, and everything. So let's take a look at that. I have come to the face of the mountain. It's just awe-inspiring. Video does it absolutely no justice whatsoever. I've never seen a rock this big. Well, I have. I've been here before, but it's been years and years and years ago. But it's amazing, and it's a rock climber's paradise in here. I mean, even from beginners up to some of the more difficult faces and stuff. It's pretty grown up in here as far as, you know, vegetation right now, but fall, winter would be a great time to come and really get to see the mountain. It's really it's just awe-inspiring. It started out kind of crazy with the rain. It put me about almost 2 hours behind. Heads up, I'm gonna have to start wearing a hard hat. I could have easily gotten discouraged, turned around, went back home when it started raining. But you know, I got to experience a thunderstorm up here in the mountains, and it was very peaceful and calming. And I'm glad that I stuck it out just to come up here. Not exactly sure where all I'm gonna hike. I'm getting later into the day now, so that rain kind of really knocked me off schedule, but we're gonna see what we can see. All right, let's get to stepping. Little phone print. Came across a print from a little phone here in the roadway. Maybe that little one we've seen down in the field, but they always prefer to take the cleaner, clearer path if they can, but that's not always possible. It was a little bit of a hike, a lot of rocks and very slick, muddy, but a fun hike, a good hike. It's not that bad. I think I've done a little over 2 miles getting up here. I made it. Check another one off the list. So proud, happy with myself. Well, as much as I'd love to stay up here longer, the buzzards are circling, and I just heard thunder, so I've got to get down off this mountain. I have made it back to the homestead. It is looking like it's going to thunderstorm again. I have lost the hat. It is, well, not literally lost it. It's here. It's just soaking wet. I'm soaking wet. Fixing to grab me a little bit of water, then about a half-mile down, back to the truck. Bigfoot? Maybe it's just that dog. I don't know. But I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed the video of the homestead, Stone Mountain, of course, what I could get of it through the trees, and of course the climbing rocks and Cedar Rock. Really enjoyed the hike today. But anyway, that's all for today. I'm going to leave you guys. Just remember, every journey begins with a single step. I'm out of here. See you on the next one. Hope you enjoyed the homestead, the video of the homestead, and all right.